Welcome to our channel Vital Signs. Let's journey together towards a healthier future. Guardians of your liver. Unlock the secrets to preventing liver cirrhosis. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel Vital Signs. Today we've got a crucial topic to discuss, the prevention of liver cirrhosis. Our liver is a vital organ that plays a key role in our overall well-being, and it's essential that we take the right steps to keep it healthy. In this video, we'll delve into some valuable tips to ensure the well-being of your liver. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our empowering health content. Let's get started. Understanding liver cirrhosis. Before we dive into prevention tips, let's briefly understand what liver cirrhosis is. Liver cirrhosis is a condition where the liver becomes scarred and damaged, affecting its ability to function properly. Now, let's move on to the main focus, prevention. Maintaining a healthy weight. One of the key factors in preventing liver cirrhosis is maintaining a healthy weight. Excess weight can contribute to fatty liver disease, which is a precursor to cirrhosis. Achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Healthy eating habits. First and foremost, it's crucial to adopt a healthy diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can help keep your liver in top shape. Let's explore some specific foods that can benefit your liver health. Green tea, cruciferous vegetables, leafy greens, berries. Regular exercise. Pairing a healthy diet with regular exercise is a powerhouse combination. Exercise not only helps in weight management but also improves blood flow to the liver. Lifestyle choices. In addition to weight management, certain lifestyle choices significantly impact liver health. Two major factors to consider are avoid alcohol consumption and avoid use of pain medications. Did you know that some commonly used pain medications can have adverse effects on your liver? Additional tips for liver health. As we wrap up, let's touch on a few more tips to fortify your liver health. From staying hydrated to getting enough sleep, these small but impactful habits can contribute to a resilient and healthy liver. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to preventing liver cirrhosis. Our liver is a remarkable organ, and by making informed lifestyle choices, we can ensure its longevity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe for more health-related content. Take care of your liver, and it will take care of you. Thanks for watching.